Do you use FreshBooks for invoicing but need a more robust system like QuickBooks or Xero for complex accounting? The good news is, they can talk to each other. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This integration is a powerhouse combo. It lets you run your client-facing operations in FreshBooks while syncing all the financial data to your primary accounting software. The first step is to check the FreshBooks App Store or the Integration section in your settings. Search for either QuickBooks Online or Xero. You'll find official integration apps. Click to install, and you'll be guided through an authentication process that securely links the two accounts. You can then set up sync rules, deciding what data flows where. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: do a test sync with a single client first. Before you sync all your data, create a test client and a few invoices to see how the information populates in QuickBooks or Xero. This helps you verify the setup is correct before a full-scale migration. So, just like that, you've built a bridge between two powerful platforms, creating a seamless financial workflow. Which accounting software do you pair with FreshBooks? QuickBooks, Xero, or another? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.